Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and tool lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special for you. A roundup of 10 cool angle grinder and drill attachments that will take your projects to the next level. From wood carving to metal polishing, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in.
Number 1. The 13 pieces wood carving disc set for 4-inch or 4.5-inch angle grinder is a versatile and comprehensive solution for woodworking enthusiasts. This kit includes an array of attachments such as wood grinding wheels, a wood shaping disc, an angle grinder chainsaw disc, flap disc sanding wheels, a universal grinder wrench, and conversion rings. Designed for compatibility with various angle grinder models, the set offers convenience and flexibility. The recent upgrade, addressing concerns about the wood grinding wheel's size, enhances compatibility with different flange nets, ensuring a seamless user experience. Crafted from high-carbon steel, the discs exhibit high hardness, compressive strength, and wear resistance. Suitable for a range of materials, including wood, hardwood, plastic, and rubber, the wood carving disc set is ideal for grinding, cutting, engraving, shaping, trimming, deburring, and polishing. Its durability and efficiency make it an essential addition to both DIY and professional toolkits, enabling users to unleash their creative potential with ease.
Number 2. The polishing wheel for drill by SPTA is a versatile and efficient solution for various polishing needs. With a wide application range, these buffing wheels are perfect for shining faded wheels, manifolds, and more. Ideal for metal surface cleaning, grinding, dusting, deburring, polishing, and stripping residue, they also excel in jewelry polishing and other metalworking tasks. Compatible with rotary tools and grinders, these accessories are perfect for fine detail work on materials such as jade, ceramic, glass, wood, hardened steel, cast iron, and stainless steel. The buff wheels are designed for repairing dents, providing a smooth, uniform finish, and conforming to irregular surfaces with minimal smearing. The small buffing wheel is highly convenient and practical for polishing small areas, offering high efficiency at a low cost. The shanks are 1/4 inch round with a hex shape, preventing slippage on your drill. The package includes 1 conical, 1 cylindrical, 2 mushroom-shaped, and 4 wheel-shaped buffing pads, ensuring a comprehensive set for your polishing tasks. Upgrade your polishing game with the SPTA buffing wheel for drill.
Number 3. The belt sander adapter for angle grinder is a game-changing tool that effortlessly transforms your hand grinder into a highly functional belt sander. By replacing the head attachment of your angle grinder, you gain a handy and efficient sanding solution. The triangular design of the adapter facilitates easy and thorough surface sanding of tubes and pipes, making it a professional tool for removing metal rust. Featuring a precise guide pulley design, this adapter ensures a tight grip on the sanding belt, preventing any swaying and allowing for precise sanding work. Compatibility is key, and this adapter is suitable for grinders with a shield mount under 1.68 inch, which is the maximum size of the clamp mount on the product. The attachment bearing comes with a 5/8 11 US thread, ensuring a secure fit. Versatility is further enhanced by the adapter's multi-size sanding belt applicability, accommodating both 20 mm and 40 mm sand belts due to its double groove design. The package includes 60, 120, 240, 400, and 600 grit 40 mm belts, catering to various sanding needs. Crafted from stainless steel and aluminum alloy, this belt sander adapter is durable and built to withstand the rigors of professional use. Elevate your sanding capabilities with this efficient and versatile tool.
Number 4. The Tungsten Carbide Burr set by Pelham is a powerhouse tool designed for steel and woodworking, grinding, carving, and engraving tasks. Crafted from solid tungsten carbide, these burrs boast exceptional hardness, high strength, and unparalleled durability. With a service life 8 times longer than HSS tools, Pelham's double-cut carbide rotary burrs are engineered to withstand heavy-duty use on various materials, including stainless and hardened steel, wood, jade, marble, and bone. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner, Pelham's rotary burrs are an indispensable addition to your toolkit. Suitable for milling, leveling, deburring, hole cutting, surface work, and weld seam treatment, These tool bits exhibit an impressive stock removal rate. Ideal for diverse applications such as jewelry making, welding, sculpting, tool making, engineering, and precision metalwork, Pelham's Carbide Burr set provides everything you need. Featuring a 1/4 inch shank, these burrs are compatible with most rotary tools and grinders, ensuring ease of use and a secure fit. Pelham's die grinder bit set is not only easy to grasp but also safe and reliable. Utilizing Pelham cutting burrs streamlines grinding and carving tasks, reducing working time and enhancing the overall working environment. Enjoy increased efficiency and faster project completion with Pelham's Tungsten Carbide Burr set, your key to a smoother, more enjoyable creation process. Number 5. The Drain X6T Toilet Auger is a reliable and effective plumbing tool designed to tackle toilet clogs with precision and care. Its standout feature is the curved end, a thoughtful design that ensures no damage to porcelain and minimizes contact with toilet residue during operation. Equipped with a swivel head, this auger boasts versatility by allowing the cable to drop down a T-junction pipe effortlessly. The 3/8 inch steel auger cable with a drop head is engineered for catching and clearing clog residue efficiently. The swiveling mechanism combined with the sturdy steel cable makes it a powerful solution for navigating through complex plumbing systems. A notable feature is the curved plastic end, strategically designed to serve a dual purpose. Not only does it safeguard your porcelain from potential scratches or damage, but it also facilitates the auger's tip to delve deeper into the pipe. This allows the extension of the cable right into the heart of the clog, ensuring a thorough and effective clearing process. In summary, the Drain X6T Toilet Auger is a must-have plumbing snake for addressing toilet clogs. Its well-thought-out design elements, including the curved end and swivel head, make it a reliable and user-friendly tool for both homeowners and professionals. Experience the convenience of clearing clogs efficiently while protecting your toilet with this high-quality and durable toilet auger. Number 6. The WIORA wire cut brush set stands out as a top-notch choice for heavy-duty cleaning and grinding tasks, combining safety, stability, and efficiency in one package. The external and internal fixing plates, constructed from thickened steel with a large hexagonal thread of 10 strengths, ensure robustness and prevent steel wire flying or breaking during intensive work. The precisely calculated weight ratio provides exceptional balance, enhancing stability during operation. Crafted with high-quality 0.020 inches hardened carbon steel wire, the angle grinder grinding brush surpasses market standards, delivering 4 times better performance. This wire type ensures longevity, safety, smooth operation, and ease of use, maintaining knotting integrity even during intense use. With a running speed of up to 12,500 RPM, the twisted wire cut brush is suitable for angle grinders with a 5/8 and 11 NC threaded shank. This high speed allows for easy and efficient removal of severe corrosion, rust, paint, spatter, and scale. Simultaneously, it excels in cleaning weld edges, eliminating burrs effortlessly. Ease of use is a key feature. Attaching the wire cut brush to a compatible angle grinder is a straightforward process. Simply wear the necessary protection gear for a secure and efficient operation. Ideal for heavy-duty cleaning of large metal surfaces and edge blending, this brush ensures the smooth removal of burrs, spatter, weld scale, and rust. Elevate your grinding tasks with the WIORA wire cut brush set, where safety, quality, and productivity converge seamlessly.
Number 7. The T-Shia 270-pack 2-inch sanding discs pad variety kit is a comprehensive solution for diverse sanding and polishing tasks. Featuring 240 aluminum oxide hook loop discs and 26 zirconia nylon non-woven strip wool die grinder sanding discs, the kit covers common grits. With 2 shank types, roll lock 1/4 inch round and 1/4 inch hex, it accommodates pneumatic and electric tools. 3 connection methods, including the air tool backer plate with 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch shank, ensure precise sanding control with air or electric drills and die grinders. Specifically designed for die grinders, the kit includes a PU foam adapter pad for easy installation, optimizing time and efficiency. This 270 pack offers a versatile range, making it an essential for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 8.
The 5/8" 11-thread angle grinder extension shaft set is a versatile tool conversion accessory that enhances the functionality of your angle grinder. Designed with a 5/8" 11-thread, it seamlessly fits all 5/8" 11-thread angle grinders and polishers, providing compatibility with various drill bits featuring 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch shanks. Crafted from high-carbon steel, this extension shaft exhibits qualities such as high hardness, anti-rust properties, high toughness, and durability. The inclusion of 16¼ inch and 16½ inch spring collets ensures firm clamping, stability, and resistance to slipping during use. This set is particularly designed for Type 5/8" 11-thread angle grinders and pneumatic grinding machines, allowing for the conversion of an angle grinder into a hand electric drill. This transformation enables versatile applications, allowing users to drill effortlessly through stainless steel, walls, tiles, metal, wood, and more. The 5/8" 11-thread angle grinder extension shaft set is a reliable and robust accessory that adds flexibility to your tool arsenal, offering efficiency and durability in various applications.
Number 9. The grinder tool modified to belt sander polisher attachment for Model 100 and 125 is a game-changer for DIY enthusiasts, providing a swift 1-minute conversion from an angle grinder to a belt sander. Designed for easy use, this belt sander adapter is specifically crafted for Model 100 and 125 angle grinders, making the transition to a sand belt machine seamless. The thoughtful design of these belt grinder parts ensures minimal impact, low noise, and high stability, creating an ideal environment for precise DIY work. With easy installation using the provided wrench, these belt grinder attachments offer versatility. Transform your workspace by effortlessly mounting the belt sander attachment onto a table, expanding the utility of your tools for various sanding and polishing applications. Upgrade your DIY arsenal with the convenience and efficiency of the grinder tool modified to belt sander polisher attachment. Number 10. The Adalife Angle Grinder Dust Collection Attachment for Double Cut Saw is a revolutionary tool that significantly enhances user safety and cleanliness. With its dust extraction feature, it reduces cleanup time and ensures a safer breathing environment by capturing up to 95% of airborne dust. This not only promotes a cleaner workspace but also contributes to overall user health. Featuring single screw depth adjustments, the attachment allows for quick and precise adjustments to maintain the desired depth of cut. With a maximum cutting depth of 28 mm and a maximum cutting width of 30 mm, it offers versatility for various cutting tasks. A notable feature is its compatibility with vacuums, eliminating the need for adapters. The vacuum dust extractor accommodates standard hose sizes from 26 mm to 39 mm and accommodates 64 mm by removing the rubber band, providing flexibility for different vacuum systems. The toolless installation makes it easy to use with 5-inch angle grinders, enhancing convenience for users. It is recommended for use with high-power angle grinders with an input power higher than 1400 watt or an output power higher than 1000 watt, ensuring optimal performance. Upgrade your cutting experience with the Adalife Dust Collection Attachment, offering efficiency, cleanliness, and enhanced user safety.